Hello, beautiful soul. It's Monday again, and I'm in my place in nature, and I'm just sinking into feeling present, sensing the stillness. And I've already had a few messages coming through for this week's light frequency reading. There's a sense this week, and it's been building up for a few weeks, of an invitation for us to be with our inner self, to spend some time in the month of October. And I sense we're moving into this week. We've been feeling called to take some time out of our day-to-day. Mother Nature will call us when this is needed. And I sense this is a time reminiscent of other times that have gone by, where we are being called to be more introspective, and to work with our inner vision. Our soul this week is calling us to work with the parts of ourselves that are perhaps the parts that we fall into distraction, the parts of ourselves that we can often brush under the carpet, and we can do that in a very unconscious way. But my question for you this week to contemplate in this energy of stillness and introspection is to be with whatever that vision, that inner vision, your beautiful soul has for you and your time on the earth, in this lifetime, your lifetime. What is the vision your soul wishes to create? It's something that we can feel separated from, especially when there are outer distractions. And when that outer distraction comes knocking at our door, this is the test of our own spiritual path, our own journey, our own soul's experience, our own soul's path. Have we been practicing our inner vision? Have we been being still with our soul? Have we been creating sacred space, healing space for ourselves? We can so often get caught up in the distraction, the noise that's happening around us. And although it's important to be aware, the response is the message this week. How can you respond? By taking some introspective time, some time to work with your inner vision, to work with transforming, work with nature. Mother Nature will point you in the right direction of what is best to support you, whether that be water, healing waters, whether that be grounding in Mother Earth so that you can reach higher, whether that be working with the fire, with alchemy, or whether you're being called to deepen your breath at this time. Maybe you're called more to look up than to look down. And all of these beautiful, sacred ways of coming back to our inner soul's vision are what this week is all about. So, yes, the message is today, for this week, is to be with your soul's inner vision, not the one that you want to create in the world, that big soul mission, perhaps that other people may see, that you do or you create or you be by being yourself. But what's that deeper inner vision you're being called to sit with this week? Have a great week.